Hi, boys and girls. My name is Sydney Segal, and I'm so excited you're here. Today, you're going to learn how to write the alphabet. And if you keep practicing, you'll get so good, you might even help your little brothers and sisters, or your big ones too. Come learn with Chad, London, and me. We're starting with the letter A today, and we'll go through the whole alphabet together. Then we'll learn how to make words. Let's get started.
Welcome to the Read Along series, Junior with London and me, Chad, as your hosts along with Sydney Segal. Today, we will start by reciting the alphabets.
Hi there, I'm London, and I will help you review how the letter A sounds, and we will teach you how to write the capital A and the lowercase a. Remember, you get better and better with practice. So practice a lot.
Capital A, lowercase a. Capital B, lowercase b. Capital C, lowercase c. Capital D, lowercase d. Capital E, lowercase e. Capital F, lowercase f. Capital G, lowercase g. Capital H, lowercase h. Capital I, lowercase I. Capital J, lowercase j. Capital K, lowercase k. Capital L, lowercase l. Capital M, lowercase m. Capital N, lowercase n. Capital O, lowercase o. Capital P, lowercase p. Capital Q, lowercase q. Capital R, lowercase r. Capital S, lowercase s. Capital T, lowercase t. Capital U, lowercase q. Capital V, lowercase d. Capital W, lowercase w. Capital X, lowercase x. Capital Y, lowercase y. Capital Z, lowercase z. And that's it for the alphabet. Thank you for learning the alphabets with me.
You are learning to write the alphabets with Sydney, Chad, and London on the Read Along series Junior.
Let's review what capital A and lowercase a look like. But first we can talk about the sound A makes.
A makes an sound, like apple, or like ant.
Now watch as we teach you to write capital A. Then we will teach you to write lowercase a. Grab some writing paper or even blank paper and a pencil to practice. Start at the top of your paper so you will have room as you practice more. Start at the top line and draw a slanted line down to the bottom line. Now go back to the top and draw another slanted line going the other way. After you make both lines, connect them with a short line across the middle, or as close to the middle as you can. Now let's make 2 more capital A letters for more practice. Remember to take your time. You don't need to write fast. The more you practice, the better you'll get at printing the alphabet. Great job. Let's practice some more.
Let's check out how to write the lowercase a. This time, we start really close to the middle line. Draw a small circle. Then, draw a straight line on the right side from the middle line to the bottom, like this. Great job! Let's practice a little more.
Great job today, boys and girls. Parents and caregivers, if you'd like more resources, you can visit us on PayHip for simple practice materials. And if you'd like to follow along with the whole series, feel free to subscribe. See you up in the next one.